and like every 10 reel, she does speaking content more about herself, or like she looks for a boyfriend or something like that. Does it make sense? Like more bottom of funnel between the funny skits?
I would say it makes sense trying. This is, I mean, maybe for her, this is where we try and track like how much subs does each video bring, because maybe for her, people actually give a shit about her. Maybe for you, you will notice that like those videos convert the least because nobody wants to hear her talk. We also had that. Maybe your bottom of funnel content that converts the most can be like a dance, which we have sometimes. We have like a German creator, you know this Abracadabra song? Does any German know this? Yes. Like that's our conversion event because she's just so retarded when she does it, and people want to hate fuck her or something. I don't know. That's actually like what they tell us, I guess. But I would just try out different formats that could work for bottom of funnel and then see which one brought you the most subs per view on that day, and then just post them every couple of days for sure.
Okay, and in this solution, it's more body focused. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, maybe for her, it's not body focus. We're just trying to figure it out with numbers, you know? Like maybe people actually care about her personality. Or suggestive shit, right? We have a creator that always converts the best when she does like blowjob poses. Like, I will demonstrate it for a while, but she always like does like these type of videos. Yeah.
So again?
Bro, we understand each other, you know? Yeah, for sure. Not the aura loss. Fuck.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, easy.
My question is, how much readers should you post a day, like in the best case, when you have the time, and like in the best case, like try reels, and normal reels per account?
Got you. So like assuming the quality is 10 out of 10 and like everything's perfect, how many, like can you post algorithm wise?
Yeah, like what is the best, I don't know, like 5 reels a day per account, or?
Like 2 months ago, I would have said 3 in total, including trials, but Instagram got a bit easier. Main feed 3 max, I'd say. You like more than 3 doesn't really help that much in my opinion. And at that point, you really have to ask yourself if the quality stays high. And for trials, I mean, theoretically you could post 20, but I'd say like 3 in the main feed, 5 or 10 on trials. That would be like, if the quality is high enough, but even for us, that's mostly undoable.
With every day.
Yeah, but even for us, like with like even us, every single reel being a banger. I mean, trials can be a bit less, but you get what I mean. It takes a long time to get there because I mean, you know how much time goes into like one reel, even from the like research and ideation. It's not needed, but that would be the best case for sure.
Okay. And when I have like 4 Instagram accounts, should I post like the 4 reels on every account, or should I post like 2 or 3 reels on one account?
I mean, you can post even like 3 on each account, you can, but you can also just post 1 per account. It's just like, we always start with 1 reel per account on like 3, and then we see, okay, does the creator and the agency have the time and the focus to go up